If you file a claim on your policy, many times construction companies are concerned that if they make the claim that they will jack up their rates, they will not be renewed, that they're going to hurt their chances of being insured in the future. So ultimately that's the question. If I make a claim on my policy, can I possibly mess up being insured in the future financially or just not finding coverage, right? That's the question. So the answer is typically no. I can find insurance. We typically have no issue replacing your insurance policy if it's non-renewed due to claim issue, right? There's claim issues. And there's all types of different requirements that underwriters have for different insurance companies regarding the claim. So if the claim meets a criteria of if they paid out more than $15,000 on the liability insurance or more than $25,000 in claims on the liability insurance, there's a threshold there that they all underwrite in their own way of what meets their criteria for renewals. So there's times where I am actually able to work with the underwriters of the renewal department and argue with them to see if they'll reconsider the non-renewal. So a lot of people don't know that. It's possible that you go in and you say, I want you to reconsider the non-renewal for this claim, and then I will do the work to get the documentation from either the attorney, the claims adjuster. I'll send all that information, I get it together, and I will send it back to the insurance company and say, can you please reconsider this renewal? And here's supporting documents about why it should be renewed. And so that's one thing you can do that a lot of people don't know. So I would say 50% of the time I get that through, at least 50% of the time. I feel really confident on doing that work to try to keep it in the same place, because we don't want insurance policies moving around and bouncing around year to year. We want to keep it the same place as long as we can, so the coverage doesn't have lapses and the prior years of insurance stays in place. So if we do have a claim that comes in, it's just one insurance company that we get to deal with, instead of other insurance companies arguing with each other about who's going to pay it and how much they're willing to pay. We don't have to go down that road, basically. So I do argue to try to keep the policy with the original insurance company and fight to get it renewed. If that doesn't work, then we go back out to market and we tell a scenario of why the claim would not happen again, explain what happened and how it happened, and then we fight for you. We basically are able to show that this claim might have happened, but the chances of it happening again is very slim. And this risk it's a low risk. So that's coming from working with a broker that understands, the industry that they're in, and then they understand how that works, that you can do that, and that there's other ways to approach the insurance company and the underwriters about possibly renewing it or about moving it somewhere else and showing that it's going to be safe if they write the policy for them. Don't worry. If your policy cancels because of claim history, we'll get you another policy in place and you're going to feel it's going to be fine. So I have yet to have to not be able to find a place. We get it done, we work on it, and it's understanding how to navigate through that. It's really important. Thanks for watching, and please feel free to check out any of my other videos. If you have any questions regarding this subject matter, please contact me or email me. Thanks.